Coming to Altoona was one of the best things I've ever done because it helped me in so many different ways. I met so many different people.
When I got here, I realized how much smaller the classes were and how easy the transition was from high school into a college setting. I was able to meet with one-on-one with my professors way easier. They knew who I was just by sitting in class and seeing me day in and day out.
Class sizes here at the Penn State Altoona campus are anywhere from I've had 18 kids in a class to 32 kids in a class.
I felt a part of this community from day one. I'm from New Jersey, so yes, I was skeptical, being 4.5 hours away, if I would find my group of friends, if I would find that teacher I would rely on or that faculty member that I could get advice from.
Penn State Altoona makes it extremely easy to find resources, get the help you need. There's tutors, there's the Writing Commons. I've never needed to go out of my way to find help.
The professors really pushed you to do the best that you could do. They pushed you because they knew what they saw, because the smaller class sizes, you get to interact more with your professors. So if they could see your potential, they pushed you to that potential.
Just how warm and welcoming everybody was to each other. The fact that everybody knew each other and everybody was rooting for each other, no matter if it was in a social sense, academic sense.
While at Penn State Altoona, I made so many friends and probably some of the closest people I will have in my life for the rest of my life.
Penn State Altoona made it extremely easy to find your best friends. I found 12 girls that I will always count on. I live with all 12 of them. We're best friends. I know I'll be with them. They'll be in my wedding one day.
By joining organizations, I was able to become more of an outgoing person, so I'm able to interact with people a lot better.
Getting involved at Penn State Altoona was extremely easy to get involved in many different clubs and organizations, try different things out, meet new people. And when I got involved, I met a lot of my close friends, a lot of people I wouldn't have met just in class.
The people that I met through those organizations made this whole experience just incredible. So I met different people from all across the world, and as well as the students who went here.
Some of the greatest memories I have are the people I met. A lot of great influences like my professors.
I guarantee you, you will find your home, you will find your niche here at Penn State Altoona.
I just would like to thank Penn State Altoona for helping me find my best friends.
Altoona will always be my Penn State home.
We are.
We are.
We are.
We are.